It was a cool evening in the quiet town of Grey Hill. The sun was slowly setting, painting the sky with soft orange and pink colors. David, a 32-year-old office worker who dreamed of becoming a writer, left his small apartment and decided to take a walk. He felt tired and empty. His days were all the same: wake up, go to his job, come home, sleep. He wanted something different, something that would make life feel real again. David walked down the street, listening to the soft wind between the trees. Soon, he reached the bridge over the river. He leaned on the rail and watched the water flow under him. The river glowed with the last light of the day. Then he noticed a bench near the riverbank, right beside the bridge. An old man was sitting there, slowly throwing bread to a few ducks swimming near the shore. The sight was peaceful. David walked closer and asked, "Do the ducks come every evening?" The man smiled. "Yes. They know I bring food. I like to sit here and watch the river. It never stops, no matter what happens in life." David sat beside him. "I feel stuck," he admitted. The old man nodded. "Then you must learn from the river. When water meets a rock, it doesn't stop. It finds a new path. Maybe you need to move, meet new people, or try new things. Even a small step can change your life." They sat in silence for a moment, listening to the soft sound of the water and watching the ducks swim in the fading light. When David finally stood up, the sky was turning dark blue and the first street lights began to shine. The old man said, "Remember, life keeps moving. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start living." David walked home slowly. The town felt different, brighter, warmer, alive. That night, he opened his laptop and started writing a new story, a story about a river, a bench, and an old man who reminded him to keep moving forward.